Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on level to take straight photos. So once this is on, a subtle horizontal line appears in your camera app when you hold your phone parallel to the ground. So it helps you align your shots perfectly so they are not crooked or tilted. So let me show you how to do this. So here you want to go ahead first, open up settings, scroll down and find camera. From here, you want to go ahead and find composition. And in the composition section, find level. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you're going to go back to your camera. So in your camera app, you'll see 3 straight lines. So the idea is to match these 3 straight lines in a straight line. So if you go ahead and match it, it'll basically turn into yellow color. That means so this picture is now leveled. So if you see something like this means your picture is not level. So you need to go ahead and adjust your composition and adjust it this way here. Now, if you take a picture from the top, you need to go ahead and match those crosses. So if the cross doesn't align, it means your picture is not leveled. So you need to go ahead and make sure both of those crosses aligned. And once it's aligned, it'll basically turn to yellow. And now you can go ahead and take a picture. That means this picture is leveled from the top as well. So this helps you align your shots perfectly so they're not crooked or tilted. This is huge for photography lovers. So whether you're capturing food shots, landscape or real estate, or even scanning documents, you're having perfectly straight photos. So you're basically making everything look professional. So no more awkward tilts. You get cleaner, sharper photos every single time. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the level to take straight photos on your iPhone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.